What's good, guys? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this speaker. We're going to unbox, check it out, and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice. This is JBL Authentics 200. JBL Authentic 200. Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay, Spotify, Chrome built-in, Hey Google, Amazon, Alexa built-in. Going to unbox this stuff. Superior acoustic design and performance, 2 voice assistants, 1 device with Bluetooth, AirPlay, Alexa built-in, authentic self-tuning. This is what we have here. Authentic family. Quick start guide and safety instruction and warranty card. Brilliant stuff. You can see what it looks like. JBL. Power cable in here. Three-pin power cable. So plug this on to the power. You can see the light. Okay. So you switch this on and off on the back here. Okay, now we're going to select Bluetooth. Okay, so it's now in Bluetooth mode, looking for available Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth button and bass, treble. So this is Bluetooth. Now we're going to go to the phone settings, select connections and Bluetooth, switch Bluetooth on, and once the Bluetooth is on, then you need to select on Bluetooth. This is JBL Authentic 200. It's available, select on it, pairing, Bluetooth pair request, select pair. It's connected for audio. I'm going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Go to save music. Before we do anything, we're just gonna tell you a bit of information about this. This speaker deserves your attention. Is Authentic 200. Super sound and performance inspired by retro design, music streaming service via Wi-Fi. JBL Authentic 200 is designed by classic JBL heritage design for a look that complements any room and fill any space, big or small. With JBL sound, the speaker premium aluminum frame, custom leather-like enclosure. You can see this aluminum frame, custom leather-like enclosure, and reimagine Quadrex grille really show the attention paid to each visual details, right down to the JBL signature pattern surrounding the down-firing passive radiator. Music streaming via Wi-Fi, built-in, experience everything from podcast to internet, radio in stunning high definition. Stream music through AirPlay, Alexa multi-room music, Chromecast, Spotify Connect, leave the room or take a call with music being interrupted. The Wi-Fi connection ensures your speaker gets authentic software and features update. Voice assistance simultaneously on one device, seamless Bluetooth pairing, intuitive control, and JBL One app. So now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't. No.
So this is pause and play. If you turn it round, it's increase the volume. If you turn it down, decrease the volume. This is pause and play. And this is treble. This is bass.
Now I'm kinda glad you did. 'Cause now you adore me. Adore me. Go ahead now. Adore me. Adore me. mind when it gets late. I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings. Are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man.
This is pause and play. This is brilliant.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. These parties acts I'm out of luck and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some old stuff that I don't even wanna hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody. Can I be somebody that's not with somebody? I wanna be somebody.
This is brilliant stuff. Thank you very much indeed. And stay blessed. Beautiful. Thank you.